Hello everyone, myself Deepak Upadhyay from Impulse Technology, Gurgaon, Delhi. In this video, I will show you how to calculate the Raman spectrum of boron nitride crystal structure and benzene molecule structure by using rescue software through density function perturbation theory. So let's get started. This is my device studio, that is a graphical user interface of this rescue software. First, I would like to calculate the Raman spectrum of the boron nitride crystal structure, and after that I will calculate the Raman spectrum for this benzene molecule structure. First, I would like to import the boron nitride from the online database. So you can click on the file option and you can go to the import option. And this software have two options to import the material. Either you can import the material from local database that exists inside this software, or you can import the material from online database. So I would like to select this import online. Here you can enter the chemical formula of the boron nitride and then you can click on this search option. Here you can see this is the boron nitride with different space group. So I would like to select this boron nitride and then you can click on this add option. This is the boron nitride that I have imported from the online database. And if you want to simulate this structure, so you can select this simulator, go to the rescue and select this density function perturbation theory. This is the DFPT calculation parameter where you can see this is the basic settings and this is the task. In the task you can select this Raman property calculation and this is the simmering sigma resolution, the SCF method, this is the real space, this is the exchange correlation, LDA, GGA, this is the K-point sampling. And this is the iteration control. Here you can see this is the SCF parameter, tolerance, charge density, total energy, and this is the DFPT parameter. In the DFPT method, you can see this is the Sternheimer and this is the Chebyshev filtering. And this is the basic settings. This is the spintronics application. This is the Raman parameter where you can see this is the damping factor and this is the key point Cartesian and this is the income photon polarization, outcome photon polarization. This is the income photon wavelength and this is the temperature. So as per your need, you can define the parameter and then you can click on this generate file. So once you click on the generate file in the project window, you can see various input file has been generated. So this is the sf.input file. So you can select this file, right click, select this open with, and this is the script for this boron nitride. And this is the dielectric.input file. So you can select this file, right click, select this open with, and this is the dielectric script for this boron nitride. Again you can select this phonon.input file, right click, select this open with, and this is the phonon script for this boron nitride. Again you can select this Raman.input file, right click, select this open with, and this is the Raman script. Here you can see what parameter we have defined, and then you can select this atom.xyz file, right click, select this open with, and this is the atom and their Cartesian coordinate point. First you need to run the sf.input file. So right click, select this run option, and if you want to run the Java on parallel, suppose 5 core, 10 core, 15 core, so there is no limitation of core, you can define up to 128 core. Then you can click on this run option to run this job. In the job manager, you can see the sf.input file is in the running condition. So in the same way, you can select this dielectric.input file, right click, select this run option to run this job. Again, you can select this phonon.input file, right click, select this run option to run this job. And then you can run this Raman.input file, right click, select this run option to run this job. In the job manager, you can see I have run all the input parameter in the queue condition. So you can wait till the calculation finished. In the meantime, you can design your benzene molecule. So you can select this build option. And in the build option, you can see multiple options are there. So I would like to select this molecule 2D. And this is the molecule 2D builder. Here you can see different fragmentation are there. I would like to select this cyclohexyl and then you can press here. Again you can select this draw single and you can draw the single bond like that. You can replace this CH3 with the hydrogen atom. So you can select this choose atoms and from the periodic table you can select this hydrogen atoms and then you can press here. So you can replace this CH3 by the hydrogen atoms like that. And then you can click on this apply data. In the toolbar, you can see this is the force field calculation where UFF, GFF, chemical. So I would like to select this GAFF and this is the benzene structure. You can rename this project to benzene. So right click, select this rename. And if you want to simulate this benzene molecule, so you can click on this simulator, select this rescue, go to the DFPT, and in the task you can define the Raman property calculation. In the same way you can define the DFPT parameter as you have defined during the nitride, and then you can click on this generate file. Once you click on the generate file, in the project window you can see the various input file for this benzene molecule has been generated. In the same way you can run all the input file. So first you need to run the sf.input file. Right click, select this run option to run this job, and then you can run this dielectric.input file. Right click, select this run option to run this job, and then you can run this phonon.input file. Right click, select this run option to run this job, and then you can run this raman.input file. Right click, select this run option to run this job, and you can wait till all the calculation finished. In the job manager you can see all the input calculation has been finished and their output has been generated. You can select this rescue log.output file. Right click, select this open containing folder, then you can select this result folder, and here you can see all the result has been calculated. So to plot the graph you can select this raman.input file. Right click, select this open with, and here you can write this command and then you can press the save option. In the same way you can select this raman.input file for this benzene. Right click, select this open with, here you can write this command and then press the save option. And again you need to run this raman.input file for this boron nitride. Right click, select this run option to run this job, and then you can run this raman.input file for this benzene. Right click, select this run option to run this job. So you can wait till the calculation finished. In the job manager you can see all the input calculation has been finished, and if you want to show their graphs, so you can open the MATLAB. So this is my MATLAB. So from browse option you can locate your project into the MATLAB. So here you can see this is my project. You can select and then you can click on this select folder. In the left side you can see this is the boron nitride output file and this is the benzene output file. So first you can open this benzene nitride file. Then you can open this rescue DFPT file. Here you can see the graph has been plotted. So you can double click on this file. This is the polarized Raman spectrum for this boron nitride. And then you can double click on this folder. And this is the average Raman spectrum for this boron nitride. Again you can select this benzene folder. Then you can select this rescue DFPT folder. And here you can see the Raman spectrum for this benzene molecule has been plotted. So you can double click on this file. And this is the polarized Raman spectrum for this benzene molecule structure. And then you can double click on this file, and this is the average Raman spectrum for this benzene molecule structure. You can follow the same procedure to calculate the Raman spectrum of any structure. Thank you for watching the video.